Hello everyone, my name is Raja Jamwal and I want to show you a quick demo about Code which I built. Claude Code is powerful. I wish I could access multiple instances of it running in different machines and I can monitor them. What if you could run it on multiple machines and access all the different agents that are running locally within these machines with all the different MCP capabilities in the browser, on the mobile and also the tablet. And you have an interface with different tabs of different agents, a file browser for the local system, and a built-in editor that can access anywhere. The way it is different from the Claude is it uses the Claude agent itself. With Claude Code, you get all the agentic harness which comes with the Claude Code. You can also point it to any different LLM models, even point it to the locally running Llama models, and you can add all the trusted MCPs that you want with the Claude Code. For example, you can connect it to the Slack MCP, you can connect it to the Glean or the Notion. Now imagine all the possibilities. You can open multiple sessions as tabs, and each one is independent, and they survive the page refresh. You can close the browser, come back online, and your session will still be running. If you click on the existing session, the session will continue from the previous state where it was left. You can control the access to the code bay behind your firewall in a local network, or if you want to access it on the global internet, I will actually recommend that you use some VPC peering. Or you can also do a reverse tunneling to access the local computer within your network. Getting started is very simple. You just clone the repository, go to the repository and install all the npm dependencies, and then you do a npm build, and then you start the server. You can also override the interface where it needs to bind and also the port which is used for accessing it through the web. Now once the server is running, this is what you get. On any machine you can access the interface from. A clean home screen where you can add the project directories. Once you have added a project directory from the machine, the Claude will be scoped to this particular workspace. You can add as many directories you want from this machine, and you can click on any existing workspace that you added to access it. Now each directory gets its own workspace. You can hit the new chat to span a new Claude Code session. It runs in a pseudo terminal streamed to your browser over WebSockets. You get the full Claude Code experience, tool use, file edits, the full interactivity, the autocompletes. The sidebar gives you the full tree view. It lazy loads all the directories and watches for the changes in real time. So when Claude edits a file, you see it updated instantly. You can click on any file and it will open up in a very basic editor at this moment. It is not VS Code yet, but it gets the job done when you need a quick edit without leaving the browser from any machine. In the settings, you can toggle between the dark and the light mode, and also you can configure the Claude command. If you want to pass in any additional parameters, you can add it in this particular field, and that will be taken as the initial command to span the terminal. All of this is open source. The link of the repo is in the description. If you find this useful, drop a star on the GitHub. See you on the next one.